In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are enough number of people here in this world, here in our society, who are of the view that I am quite a confident human being, that I do have the spontaneity. I I don't prepare, and there are enough number of people who are having a casual attitude toward toward the things which are important in the life and even the life itself. There is no dearth of such people, particularly here in our society, who are of the view that I don't need to prepare. I am an intelligent person. I am a confident human being. Believe me or not, these people are going to become a failure. They might be talented, they might be intelligent, but still, if they don't prepare, they are going to become a failure. But if they do prepare well, I think that they can perform better than the other people, if at all they are intelligent, if at all they are if at all they are creative, if at all they are intelligent, if at all they are creative, if at all they are confident. I think one more thing is needed, and that more thing is that you need to become a confident, you need to become a hard working person as well. Without your hard work, I think that all the talent and all the capabilities are not going to serve your purpose. All these qualities and all these talents are going to become something useless at all, if at all you are not doing the hard work, if at all you are not taking the life seriously, if at all you are having a kind of casual attitude. This casual attitude actually is the cause, is the reason behind the failure of so many of the people here in our society as well as in the rest of the world, particularly in the societies like our, where there is a very little education available, and the quality education, the standardized education is available to the very few privileged people in the society. Here, most of the people are found taking the life casually, taking the serious issues of their life in a casual manner. I am not saying that we need to become panicked. I am not saying that we need to become embarrassed. I am not saying that thing at all. But one thing must be clear, and must be clear to all and sundry, that the life the life demand the seriousness, and the life demand a dedicated approach. I think we need to learn. Now look upon the people once one an offspring is born in the once an offspring is born in the family of a human. What do after few years at the home? They send their child to the school, and the child have to spend a lot of time in the school. The child become the juvenile, the child become the teenager, then in the 20s a human being, the offspring of a human being, have to learn a lot and have to learn from the educational institutions. Why? Because these people are not taking the life casually, rather they are taking it seriously. And this is not even this education. Even if somebody has got the bachelor's degree, even if somebody has got the master's degree, still the practical life demands a lot, actually, a kind of preparation, a kind of hard work which is needed and which is desperately needed, despite the talents and the education of a human being. I think so. A human being needs a lot of preparation, and taking the life casually, taking the other certain important things casually. I think so. This is very much a sign of the failure. This is very much a sign of the failed people. If at all you do want to become a failed person, then you can do whatever you want to. Then you don't need to take the things seriously. Then you have every right to take the things, to take the life casually. Otherwise, if at all you are serious enough, if at all you want to become a successful human being, if at all you want to prosper, if at all you want to succeed, if at all you want to outperform the other people, all what you need is that you need to become a serious candidate of the life. You need to take the thing seriously and not casually at all. This casual attitude is actually a very much counterproductive. This casual attitude is actually the reason behind why so many of the talented people, because so many of the capable people, so many of the creative people, so many of the educated people do fail in their life, although they were groomed to succeed, but they did fail. Why? Because they took the life casually and not seriously at all. If at all anybody and everybody who want to become a successful human being, anybody and everybody who want to prosper, anybody and everybody who want to become developed human being, who want to outperform the other people, I think the first and the foremost thing is that the life should be taken seriously, that all the important things in the life should be taken seriously as well. This is I think so. If at all somebody wants to know the secret of the success, if at all somebody want to know the secret of the success, then let me tell you with enough amount of confidence that this is the secret to life. This is the secret to the successful life. Anybody and everybody, you might have seen, there are people who are not so resourceful, there are people who are not so intelligent, who are not so talented. Despite all, they do succeed in the life. Why is it like that? Why is it like that? By the way, it is so because although they were not wealthy, they were not wealthy at all, they were not talented, they were not intelligent, yet they decided to do that. They decided to do the hard work. They decided to do that. They decided to take the thing seriously. They prepared, and they did prepare well. And this actually a very nice, a very articulate, and a very comprehensive preparation done by those people actually resulted in the success of those people. Now, if at all anybody and everybody who want to prosper, who want to develop, who want to become a successful human being, who want to outperform the other people, all what she need to do is that the life should be taken seriously, that all the important things should be taken seriously, and a hard work is needed, a preparation is needed. Rather, I shall like to say that a thorough preparation is needed. Thank you. Jazakallah.